Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. If x square positive y square equals to 85 and xy equals to 5, what is the value of 1 over x negative 1 over y the whole square? Okay, using this information, we have to evaluate the value of this one, that is 1 over x negative 1 over y the whole square. Okay, now let me take this stuff as it is, that is 1 over x negative 1 over y the whole square. Okay, here what I'm going to do is I'm going to simplify the stuff we have inside the parenthesis. Here we have subtraction of two fractions. Okay, when I want to add or subtract two fractions, the denominators of the fractions must be same. Okay, here the denominators are not same. So now what we can do is we can do cross multiplication. Usually we will find the least common multiple of the two denominators, but here the denominators are not numbers. If the denominators are numbers, we can find the least common multiple. Since the denominators are variables x and y, so we can do cross multiplication. That is, we have to multiply the first numerator by the second denominator and the second numerator by the first denominator. Further, we have to multiply the two denominators. Okay, now let me do it. Then I'm getting y, that is 1 times y is y. Negative, we take this negatives and as it is. 1 times this x is just x. Now let's multiply the two denominators. X times y is xy, the whole square. Okay, here we have the exponent 2 for this fraction. Whenever we have some exponent for a fraction, the exponent can be taken separately for numerator and denominator. When I do so, I am getting y negative x the whole square divided by x times y the whole square. So I have taken this exponent 2 for numerator and denominator separately. Okay, now let's consider the algebraic identity, that is the square of the binomial a minus b the whole square, that is equal to a square and negative 2ab positive b square. Now we can compare this y negative x the whole square with a negative b the whole square. When I do so, the place of a we have y, at the place of b we have x. So now to get the expansion of this square of the binomial, we have to use the trinomial we have over here. In this trinomial, at the place of a we have to write y, at the place of b we have to write x. Okay, let me do it. Then I'm getting y square negative 2ab. 2ab means 2 times y times x, positive b square means we have x square. And in denominator, we can write the stuff as it is. That is xy the whole square. Okay, now what we can do is we can write this x square at first. Okay, let me write this x square first. Then we can write y square. Then we can write negative 2yx. So this y times x can be written as that is x times y. That is 2yx can be written as 2 times xy because multiplication is commutative. Okay, in denominator, we can write the stuff as it is. That is xy the whole square. Okay, now we can plug in now this 85 for this x square positive y square, because 85 is the value of x square positive y square. Okay, let me do it. Negative 2 times, and for this xy we know the value it's 5, so we can plug in 5 for this xy divided by xy the whole square. For this x times y we can plug in 5, then we get 5 square. 85 negative 2 times 5 is 10 divided by the value of 5 square is 25. Okay, here let me continue. So 85 negative 10 is 75 divided by 25. So here 25 goes into 25 1 times, 25 goes into 75 3 times. I got 3. So now I got the value of this expression 1 over x negative 1 over y the whole square. Its value is 3. We find this 3 in answer choice A. The correct answer choice for this question is A.